Did you know that working memory depends on finding the sweet spot between cognitive load and cognitive capacity? In this video, I'll break down this powerful distinction and give you a glimpse into my Executive Functioning and Study Strategies certification course. Another important thing to consider when thinking about working memory is we need to have a balance of cognitive load versus cognitive capacity. Cognitive load is how much energy, cognitive energy, a task takes, and it can be broken down into intrinsic load, extraneous load, and Germaine load. And intrinsic load is the difficulty of the subject or the specific topic of instruction, that it can't be too difficult. And extraneous load is the way new information is presented. And this has to do with the presentation has to be palatable, has to be understandable. And then there is Germaine load, which is the way memory capacity and personal intelligence creates mental schemas, which is really a schema is an understanding of the content. So again, we have to have that balance of the cognitive load versus cognitive capacity. Capacity, again, when we talked about with working memory, we can hold 2 to 6 bits or chunks of information. So if we're asking someone to remember too many bits, it's going to set an imbalance with the cognitive load. And also, when it comes to cognitive capacity, it's also the capacity of our long-term memory. Do we have some prior information that we encoded? Can we retrieve it? All of those questions. But in order for working memory to work, we have to have that balance between cognitive load and cognitive capacity. This video is just a glimpse of my Executive Functioning and Study Strategies certification course at Learning Specialist Courses. However, if you're just looking for ready-to-use EF tools, check out the hub of my workbooks, assessments, games, and activities at goodsensorylearning.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so others can discover these tips and resources too.